Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about plants. Love and respect plants. But what do we need to respect and love plants? Let's learn together. The earth is home of many different plants. That is why we need to respect them and love them, because we share the same planet. Also, the air that we breathe comes from plants, and these help us to survive and to do things like playing or running. Plants also filter pollution to make the air cleaner and help us breathe. We need to respect and love plants because they give us food. All the fruits come from flowering plants. Trees give shelter and are the house of many animals. Also, trees give us shade and a cooling effect. That's why sitting under a tree feels fresh. So please, do not cut trees or damage any plants. And remember, plant trees and flowering plants. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!